3, 2, 1. Hey, what's up mga bad boys? Bagon pa lang sa channel ka, mag-subscribe na kayo dyan at pilitin notification bell para update sa mga bagong upload na videos. For more coming this video, click to subscribe, like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to comment, like, description box below. For today's my vlog, Aprilia Turno 457cc, model 2020 aspect. Model 2025
1 hour later.
Engine type 4-stroke, forward facing parallel twin, double overhead cam with silent chain drive on ring side, 4 valves per cylinder, engine displacement 457 cubic centimeter, 4-stroke 69 mm by 51.1 mm, compression ratio, cooling system, liquid cooled with radiator and water oil heat exchanger, lubrication, wet shop, emission Euro 5, induction fuel injection, starting electric, maximum power 35 kilowatt at 9,400 RPM. Maximum torque 43.5 Nm of torque at 6,700 RPM. Clutch multi-plate slipper. Transmission 6-speed. Panel drive chain. Frame twin spar aluminum frame. Front suspension 41 mm. USD fork adjustable preload, front wheel travel 120 mm by 4.7 inch. Rear suspension monoshock adjustable preload, rear wheel travel 130 mm 5.1 inch. Brake front brakes single 320 mm floating disc, 4 piston radial calipers. Rear brakes single 220 mm disc by Breer caliper. ABS system standard. Wheel aluminum alloy cast. Front wheel 300 by 17 inch. Rear wheel 450 by 17 inch. Front brake front tire 110 by 17 70 by 17 tubeless. Rear tire 150 by 60 by 17. Seat height 800 mm by 31.5 inch. Weight 175 kg by 386 kilos. Full tank capacity 12.71.3.4 gallon. Itong Aprilia na bago tong labas ni Aprilia na 457 cubic centimeter cc. Isa siyang naked bike na parang pareha siya na may pagkahawig sa C900. At naka siya display na rin. At ang cooling system niya may naka-liquid cooled na may radiator and water oil heat exchanger. Ito ay siya naka Euro 5 na compliance. Ang torque naman niya ay 35 kilowatt tapos 9,400 RPM. Ang torque naman niya 43.5 Newton meter torque at 6,700 RPM. Hindi na kayo lugi dito sa 43.5 Newton meter torque. Mabibili nyo to sa may Libis, Aprilia, Libis. Mabibili nyo to in cash or financing. Kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe sa ating itong channel ko, please don't forget to like and share and subscribe. Click notification bell for more latest this my videos. Don't forget to comment. Then follow us my social media account like Facebook page, and TikTok, Twitter, and YouTube. In Instagram. Ito yung suspension naman niya. Yung frame niya, naka twin spar aluminum frame. Ano siya? Naka metal na siya, metal. At yung brakes niya sa harap ay naka single disc na 320 na millimeter floating disc na 4 piston radial calipers. Yung rear brakes naman niya ay naka 220 mm disc by Brel calipers. Sana patuloy nyo akong supportan sa aking vlog at bibigay ko lahat ng lahat ng expect niya. Ilalagay ko sa description box lahat. Ito naman siya, ang seat height niya naka 800 mm. Ang naman niya, preference naman niya siguro nasa 5'4" hanggang 6 footer. Ito ang height. Pwede mo maabot to or either pag hindi mo abot, may choice ka naman para mailagyan ng lowering kit. Ang SRP niya pala ay 556,000 pesos. Isa siyang naked bike ni Aprilia Torno 457 model 2025 spec. Ngayon na nilabas ni Aprilia yung 400cc nila na may pagka-touring din siya. Kaso pag yung mismong headlight niya may pagkahawig sa C900. Hindi ka pa nang gagawin sa akin channel, don't forget to like and subscribe, click notification bell for more latest my videos. Don't forget to comment and ring the bell button for more updated and for more latest my videos. Patuloy niyo akong supportan sa mga aking vlog para pag nakuha ko unang aking sahod, magpapa-giveaway ako. Tutulungan ko kayo paano sumali sa mga aking parapol or pag-giveaway. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe. Dito ko natatapusin ang aking vlog. Sana may natutunan kayo sa aking vlog. Thank you for watching this. We will see you on the next one. Babu, thank you for watching. Bye-bye.